Congresswoman Ann at sa lahat na narito. Itatanong ko lang, kasi sinusundan ko rin yung kwento ninyo, na kahapon sabi ninyo na 100% certain na si VP Sara contracted someone over the alleged plan to kill the president as well as 2 others. Tapos, ito naman, corroborative naman ito, nung sinabi ninyo, nung 29 April yata sa House of Representatives, na sinabi rin ninyo, meron na kaming leads at mukhang talaga yun ang findings. Kaya may grave threat at inciting. Tama ba na sinabi po ninyo to?
Tama po, meron po report po.
At alam din natin na nag-file na yung NBI February 2025 na ng inciting to sedition case against BP noong February last year. Ngayon, nagtatanong lang ako, 14 months later, as late as 29 April, the NBI still has not identified yung supposed assassin. Does it mean na at the time na nagpila sila ng kaso ng inciting noong Pebrero na nakaraang taon, the NBI wasn't even sure if there was an actual assassin? Alam ko before your time to, no, Mel? Pero tinatanong ko lang, how can the NBI be sure there was really a contract if they can't even identify the said assassin?
Respectfully po, Your Honor, magkaiba po kasi ang elemento nung yung pong kaso ng grave threat saka inciting based on the investigation report at based po sa findings ng NBI noon, nakumpleto na po yung elemento ng grave threats saka ng inciting to sedition. Hindi naman po kailangang mahanap kung sino po yung kinausap na assassin. That is not an element for the filing of a complaint.
So, ang sinasabi po ninyo, tama yung pagka-file, pero hindi kompleto yung mga findings dun sa affidavit of investigation dahil yan din ang sinabi ni NBI Agent Attorney Longtok na nandito siya at pinahiwatig niya na siya yung lead investigator pero wala siyang personal knowledge of whether there was an actual assassin. So, why is it that 14 months after filing of the cases, the assassin is yet to be named? At ngayon, humihingi pa kayo ng 3 hanggang 6 na buwan para tuklasin kung sino nga yun.
Ganito nga po, yung pong grave threat at inciting to sedition, nandun na po sa DOJ yan. That is the subject of a resolution na dapat gawin ng DOJ. Magkaiba po yan, hiwalay po natin. Ito pong ating investigation dito is an investigation because of the continuing active and serious threat to the President amounting to the effect that yung national security is only being compromised.
Pero hindi
so, doon po
yan,
natin tinitingnan.
Hindi po yan ang sinabi ninyo Kasi ang sinabi ninyo doon sa House of Representatives, sa Justice Committee, maliwanag. Sabi ninyo na meron kaming leads at mukhang ito na talaga ang findings. Kaya nga po nag-file ng kaso ng grave threat at inciting to sedition. Sabi ninyo, yan ang dahilan. That was your statement. Because if you stand by these words na may finding na talaga, at yun ang dahilan kaya nagpila noong February, as early as February, the date that the NBI filed, the NBI already had findings that VP Sara spoke with an assassin. How come kayo ngayon, sinasabi ninyo na wala naman nung panahon na yon? Ganon din ang sinabi ni Attorney Lotto. So, hindi ko maintindihan ngayon, talaga bang may assassin na na-identify nung Pebrero o wala?
Wala pong na-identify nung February.
Bakit niyo sinabi doon sa House of Representatives na yung dahilan na nagpila ng kaso kasi meron na kayong assassin?